Flipped it this way and then flip the hair over here.
This is the Pro Twist Flat Iron Ceramic Tourmaline Iconic Glider and Angenil. I think I'm saying that right, hopefully. So it heats up within 60 seconds. Good. Multiple temperatures, automatic shut off if you're like OCD like me and always check to make sure things are off. That is a helpful thing. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. This was sent to me complimentary for honest review. This is not sponsored. This does retail for $59.99. You have a heat-resistant matte pouch, 2 salon hair clips, the manual, the curler itself, and then one of the gloves so that you don't burn yourself. So we want to unlock it. And then it says, here's the power buttons and the temperatures. Press and hold the power button to switch on. It'll automatically heat up and reach default temperatures. All right, so it is green, so we are good to go. Let's try the smooth straight. It says comb your hair and take a 5-centimeter sections. Place it between the roots, or between the plates near the roots. Whoops. Am I trying? No. Okay. And then grip the cool tip with little effort, then steadily glide the entire length of your hair in single motion. I do have, this is quite the look, I do have really thick and long hair. My hair right now is almost down to my waist, just to give you some reference. Welcome back, and welcome if you are new. My name is Stacy, and here on Staci Lee Beauty, we talk all about beauty. So if you are like me and you love all things beauty, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button or consider it at least, and joining me here at least 3 times a week. Right, so I am done. Oh, and it does get hot, so you do probably want to wear this. All right, let's see where the timer is. So we are about 6, let me stop it, about 6 minutes. So that is pretty good for me because, like I said, I have really thick hair and I think I got it all. It's hard for me to see in the back, but obviously. Okay, so let's try the bouncy curls and soft wave. So the type of curl depends on the size of the section you select and how fast you move the straightener along the hair. Clamp a medium-sized section of hair between the plates, grip the tip, and then you rotate the style a half a turn. And you can rotate inwards or outwards depending on which style of curl you want. And then rotate it. Maybe I'm not rotating it enough. It said 180 degrees, so I don't think I was doing it enough. I don't think I rotated it enough. And I don't think I got a big enough chunk. It's definitely giving me volume right here. So it's lifting my hair at the root. I don't know if it's really giving me curls. Maybe if I go real slow. Sometimes since my hair is so thick, it doesn't always take a curl the easiest. When I was younger, I wanted to get a perm and nobody would give me a perm. I wanted a spiral perm. Nobody would give me a perm because they said, oh, your hair is too long and too thick. It wasn't quite this long, but it was pretty close. And they were like, no, it won't work. Okay, so it's definitely giving me volume. Look at that. And a little bit of curl. I guess I wouldn't really say waves. I would say it gives a bounce. But anyway, finally, JCPenney salon, they said, well, we can give you a piggyback perm. So it was double rods. My head was heavy. They had to have 2 people holding my head up to take out the rollers. Okay. Well, I'm going to play around with this and then come back, but you're seeing the first impression. Definitely give some volume. For straighten, definitely very easy, quick, And yeah, gives volume, and I think I just need to play a little bit more to get the curl part down. So I'll be back. Let's do some fun facts about the human hair. Did you know that everyone sheds between 40 and 150 strands of hair per day? And the average person, you may ask then, how many strands of hair does the average person have? Between 100,000 and 150 strands on their head. And that natural blondes, interesting, they have more strands than any other hair color. Us redheads, we have the least. We average about 90,000 of strands. And brunettes are around 100,000 strands. Watched a couple videos now. And let's see. One girl flipped it this way and then flipped the hair over here and then came. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see, but it kind of started to work. Let's see. I think that this is something where once you get the hang of it, it's probably like so easy. Like vertical pieces, so it's like this. That's probably what I'm doing wrong, is I'm used to like doing it horizontal instead of vertical. See how, I mean, that definitely, like, as a straightener, hands down, very easy to do. I think it's just the curling that is a little bit, whoops, more of a challenge. And I do think that it's probably because of just, it's so, I mean, it's not so different, but it is different enough that it just, and my hair is really long right now, so that could be part of it. But I like it for like just the beach wave. I can't seem to get the, like the tight curl. So I'll flip it. Okay, so I think I know what I was doing wrong. You're supposed to keep churning it. Okay, so we're gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna churn it, and then you just keep churning it as you work your way down. Oh, look at that. Okay, yes, so that was the problem. I was not churning it enough. So if you want just like a little bit, see how if you just want a little wave, you just turn it like once. But if you want more curl, then you turn it more. So that determines, so instead of needing a bunch of curling irons, what determines how much of a curl you have is how many times you churn it as you are going down the hair. Does that make sense? So I actually like it. I wasn't sure at first. I think it's just a little bit, it's, you know, kind of just retraining yourself, because I feel, at least for me, I'm just so used to like a regular, you know, curling iron. So it's just such a different, like you look at it and you think, well, how different can it be? But it is. So here I'm pretty flat. And look at that. So yeah, if you have thin hair and you want some volume, like I definitely feel like you could do it that way. The straightening part of it, no practice, like super easy to do that. I feel like the curling part of it, there is some practice that you need just to get the hang of it, at least for me. And I think that I already said this, but yeah, they have your temperature here, up or down, the power button. So I am happy with this. Thank you so much for them sending this over to let me try out. Again, the brand is Angenil. I would say that if you are interested in, if you like to straighten your hair and kind of get that beach wave and you don't want to have two different products, I would say to give this a look and see what you think. I will leave the link down below for it. Let me know if you have any questions. down below, and I will try to answer them. If I can't myself, I will reach out to the company and see if I can get the answers for you. I'd love to know if you have tried this iron or anything like this one, what your thoughts are and your experience. And again, if you haven't already, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and join me here at least 3 times a week. And yes, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, and I hope to see you back here. Bye.